The next point on the artist management toolkit, artist management toolkit or artist managers toolkit, be what they call touring. When you do tour, it'll be a very exciting moment. If you do tour locally, you need a very good driver and you need a lot of good people at certain places wherever you go there, where you go take you people go around. You the artist, you know, go if you drive. You know, be you two you go ref the plane. Wherever you go, you go drive. You know, be you for drive. Somebody for drive you, and so many other things. But we look at touring as an artist managers toolkit, where if we pay attention to. So when we take touring, they have something that they call booking advanced sheet. Now, this booking advanced sheet or booking advanced sheet, bro, for 7, I don't know if you speak. Booking advanced sheet. Now, this sheet, you keep track of details of every show, their schedule. So, like their time, the contacts, everything, like payment information, how did they pay you, everything. So, the booking advanced sheet, that be the information you put for top. Okay. You keep track of show details. Everything about some show, it goes on show for California, some Ghanaian community, or O2 Arena, whichever it is. If you have details of all that, schedules and contact, payment information, so many different things. The next point be, if you have what they call show booking email template. Show booking email template. What this thing they do be say, it help you to write or craft effective emails for booking shows. There are ways to write these emails. This trip AI comes, so these things are they talk. If you type the name for there, whether it be Bard or it be Poe or it be ChatGPT or any of these AI, they go give you information about that. Okay, so show booking email template. The next one be if you have what they call tour management guide, artist tour management guide. Okay, now that one they help you to manage your tours. When you tour with the artist, it will help you manage them very well because touring be a lot of work. It be a lot of work, and if you make sure say the artist be comfortable, you go do most of the job with your road manager. Now the next point be tour itinerary templates. Now this one, it be a template or a document where it will help you to stay organized. So say go fit day on time with a tour itinerary. So if you ask for them or if you create some, okay. The next point be your tour budget. You know, if you go on tour, you don't know how much it will cost. Because if you know how much it will cost, then they show people wherever they do, you go make them know. This be how much it costs from here to here. You understand? Even when they go do one show for one day, if you know say if you travel outside or even within Ghana here or anywhere within Africa, whichever country you do, you go travel. When you travel, you go tire. You go tire, you go to the hotel. The hotel, you go chop. You go do some other things. The next day, you go chop. You go travel, go to the show under. You go do rehearsal. So if you consider all those things, if you come the budget inside. The other one be tour reference notes. Now the tour reference notes, it will help you to keep important information where you gather after the show. You see, after every show, certain things they happen. For example, artists they fit charge the crowd, then the crowd won't get close to the artist and hold them. Sometimes when it happen, the artist will run from the backstage. Therefore, after they perform finish, therefore run. Because the crowd make charge and they won't get close. Maybe Charlie, the barricades for the show in front, should I be strong? Or so many people come around the backstage where the artist won't if left because too many people there. So when that happens, that information, next time you go another tour, another show or something, or maybe your car no fit come early, the bus you use no fit come early. All these things, if you keep information, so you go learn from them and you don't go repeat the same mistake. You understand? Now, the other important thing be what they call a tour booking guide. Normally, this be like some six-page documents. We will talk about that later. It'll be a 6-page document where it'll help you to know when to like book your tours, right? Or your gigs, and then your promotion and on tour activities. You understand? So it'll be like a tour booking guide. So somebody book, or you yourself, you want tour to promote some song, you know, move around town. Cool. That tour booking guide, it help you to know tour booking gigs and, you know, promotions and on tour activities and so many things where they happen as you move. The next great point be merchandise revenue tracker. Merchandise revenue tracker. It be only few artists for Ghana they sell merchandise. Most artists for Ghana and most places for here, they forget, say you go fit make more money from your merchandise than even your music. That be the truth. Your brand, whichever thing you create, where you go create a merchandise, whether it be water bottle or t-shirt or cap or footwear, sneakers, whatever. So this merchandise revenue tracker, it monitor the merchandise sales in an Excel spreadsheet, whether it be on-site product where they there or somebody they manage for you. Ghana here in Africa, most of our artists, you know, they sell no merchandise for their shows and that. Because when they set up as artists, they don't even think about their brand or what they could do to create merchandise to sell. That be how they make money. Some band they Yankee, they call them case. They get coffin. They sell merchandise. They get coffin. They get coffin. The other thing be what do they call merchandise sales register. So this one they keep track of every inventory where you keep and the money you make selling your merchandise per show. So you go do some show for Kumasi, then you know say Kumasi I make this money. You go make show for Takrady, you know say Takrady I sell this number of shada or this number of teas, this number of caps, this number of this number of key holders, this number of phone cases. You understand? So that be the tracker. So the next thing you for have be what do they call personal document. Okay. Now this one they maintain crucial information for the touring inside about the band. So the band, the way that they move. If somebody, when we reach the town, or you want to go find girl, go follow girl, or want to go some drinking spot, or keep all that information. So if I advise them later, say, yo, before finish the job before you go chill. You understand? So this personal document, they keep track of the crew members on tour, how do they behave, all that. If it will be problem for the whole band or the label or the company, then you will talk to them because yo, you know go feel play with this business. Because if it is somebody in office, you go comport yourself. Why you feel say the music? Because when you do music, you have fun, you go joke or you go play. You understand? It be very important. Now the other thing be you for have what they call run sheet template. Run sheet template be basically how you write the whole structure of the touring from start to finish. If you capture that information. Another thing be what they call stage plots and input list guide. What they do be say it help you to craft effective stage plots and input lists. We will talk about those things later. Now they also have what they call asset inventory template. You understand? This one they help you to keep track of instruments and technology, new technology where they happen, where the artist go need and you, the artist management, go need. Another thing to be email sign-up sheet. When you go on shows, you must collect emails for the shows to build your fan base. So say when you drop track, you go email like 10,000 people the track. When you go shows, you will take emails. I don't see no artists they go show where they take emails for Ghana. I don't see some for nowhere. I don't see some. For some places, they treat the fans like they be gems. They be very important. You know, be here where they treat fans like they be trash. So when they go shows, they pick emails of hardcore fans of the artist. So say when track come first or they release the track first, they go email them. They go send them a very nice email of the track list or the album list. So they make the fans they feel proud. They get a song first. It'd be very nice thing. You go feel learn. I don't see nobody do show for Ghana where you take email list for where. Anyway, another thing be promoter agreement. You see, when they go on tour, if you have promoters for the show, you yourself the artist will promote the show. Ghana, you go fit put artist for show top, make it post for in Instagram, you no go post, make it post for in Twitter, you no go post. Meanwhile, day top, you give her money. Jimiesa, you no go promote the show. Now every promoter you go use, right? If you understand, say if you have an agreement with the promoter. So you people with the organize shows, when in your agreement with the artist where they come, if you put those things for inside, say if you promote them, but how they come show where you no go promote the show, you they can't perform for the show. You they can't perform for the show, but I know they promote the show. Some of these things may not make sense to me.